All right, some more broken stuff here. So if you guys have a 4024T DEERE engine, this is in a 317 skid. Ran into an issue probably a year ago where it wouldn't start up, acted like it wasn't getting fuel, and it wasn't because the solenoid that normally sits back here, if your fuel shutoff solenoid, had stopped operating. Unfortunately, it's a sealed unit, so you can't replace the coil itself. You have to replace the whole thing. So I just rigged it up in the meantime and had a little rope I would yank on the solenoid to lift up so I could get fuel. Manually shut it off. Not safe, but here we go. Had my water pump seize up the other day, and that's off. As you can see, I had to take off the hoses for the oil cooler, the hydraulic oil cooler, radiator, all that fun stuff. The fan clutch was fun. But anyway, if you need to do your fuel shutoff solenoid, I couldn't find any how-tos, so you start off with removing this. Once you have everything to this point, you want to take that one long bolt out of this back cover plate. You'll have your solenoid positioned in here. It's a normally closed solenoid, and you'll take the two screws out to hold it on top. Then once you get inside, your solenoid will be attached to this link bar right here via this pin and a circlip. So you just want to remove that circlip from the pin, extract it, you pull your solenoid out, you're good to go for replacement. It did have a gasket around it, so some kind of RTV that's resistant to oil. I like the right stuff personally. You guys should pay me for my my constant praise of the product, but it's good stuff. And yeah, have at it. Fuel issues, go to the solenoid. Once you turn the key on, that solenoid receives its current and should, suck that piston up inside and provide fuel to the machine. So anyway, make sure not to get any dirt inside. There you go.